Hey, my name's Leo, and I don't know anything. Alright, a Zen Garden. Before making this video, I haven't even seen one of these in person, so I had to do it. This is the list of everything I use. Alright, before anything, you're going to want a pan, half box, whatever. You can make your own, you can go buy your own. I just use this pan, breakfast pan, because I thought it was the easiest and the best looking. But after that, you're just going to want some sand. And then you're just going to want to flatten it out. Boom. Alright, perfect. Once you've done that, you're going to want to draw patterns throughout it all. It doesn't matter what the pattern is, whatever you want. And to use it, you can use a steak skewer, a stick, or random props if you wanted. I'm going to be using this rake. I made this rake from just sticks and super glue that I got from the store. It's super easy. If I could do it, you can too. But now you just go and make any design. The idea is just to relax you. Another idea is to break patterns. And if you don't like the design or you're just done, you just and go ahead with another one. Alright, and after you made some patterns, you're going to want to add some rocks. Like, let's add one right here, right here, and right here. Alright, perfect. Now all you want to do is draw your pattern across however you want it, and eventually just draw around the circles like this. Alright, that's perfect. And just so you know, don't stress it. It could look like this, or like this, or like this. It doesn't matter, just as long as you're relaxing. But then after you do that, the idea is to break the pattern. So you just get a rock and then push it. But that's basically it for what you do with the Zen Garden. But now it's time to make your Zen Garden your Zen Garden. For example, in my Zen Garden, I want like a fountain, what's it called, a bird bath. Like, let's say I want a bird bath right here. Or like a little bridge going over the, like, this part over here. Like, you know, anything you want, anything you could think of, you can go ahead and put it in your Zen Garden. But have fun with it. Get crazy. Some people go and buy little Buddhas to put in theirs. They get fake water to put in theirs, or like fake little trees, something like that. Do whatever you want. Just have fun with it. Make paths like this, something simple. Or go crazy with it. Have your garden tell a story. Do whatever you want. It doesn't matter, just as long as you're relaxing. Some people like to clear it and take it down when they're done. I think it looks cool, so I just leave it up there until the next time I use it. But as for a Zen Garden, that's literally all you need, and that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video or this inspired you to make your own Zen Garden, do me a favor and hit that like button. And depending on what platform you're watching this on, subscribe or follow. Thank you. Until next time.